Hi, this is all the harvest today, even the tomatoes. Yeah, so these are all the sitaw, yesterday and today. And this is the eggplant, second harvest for the eggplant. Now I'm gonna tell you the drip volume. Now I'm gonna tell you this is the cucumber. All of these, some harvest today and some yesterday. We didn't even check the other cucumber on the other side. So that's all of it. And I even made salad in the fridge. I'm going to take it to work so we ladies can eat them. So that's our harvest. Thank you, God, for the blessing, and we are able to share it with other people. That's the what you call that? The result of gardening.